Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be decorating my tree and we'll do a little cleanup afterwards, and I'll give you a few tips on things to make things go smoothly for you when you're decorating. Alright, let's get started. So I purchased this tree collar from Walmart. Tip number 1, place the tree collar down before putting the tree together. Tip number 2, place your tree against the wall if you can, because this will allow you to use less ornaments. So I purchased this tree from Michaels when they had their 50% off sale at the beginning of November. This tree sits 7 feet tall. This is our first time having a 7-foot tall tree. Tip number 3, fluff out all of your branches to add fullness to the tree. Once you have finished putting your lights on your tree if necessary. Tip number 4, connect your device to a timer or even an echo device. That way it helps with managing your lights. So this tip is also for your tree as well. What you would like to do is add large ornaments, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Those will help with filling in spaces if you have a tree that is not full with branches. Thank goodness with this tree it wasn't necessary for me to use those ornaments. I had purchased those ornaments before I had gotten the tree, and this tree is just nice and full. I was so excited. When attaching the garland to a rail, use a cable tie that can be purchased from the Dollar Tree. They help with keeping decorations and garland in place. Lastly, this is a great time to declutter any unused decorations and donate them or even sell them. A good place is Facebook Marketplace. And here we are all done. This is the final result here. It took me pretty much most of the evening. So what you are seeing here is footage from the next day. And it was better lighting. So I needed to film shots that would show the true essence, I would say, of the Christmas decorations that I had put up. So I normally put my decorations for Christmas up the day after Thanksgiving. When you all see this video, it would be that actual day. But in this case, I needed to get the decorations put up. So anyway, here we go with the decorations. So when do you guys put your decorations up? Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I thank all my new and returning subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.